Good morning, dear student. In our last session, we have completed the inductive effect. Now we are going to start the resonance effect. The next electronic effect is resonance effect. Okay, resonance structures. So first we'll understand the structure of benzene ring. Here you can see what is the benzene ring. What is the structure of benzene ring? So benzene is a cyclic structure. Okay, it is a cyclic aromatic structure. Here you can see having alternate double and single bond. What it is? It is a cyclic aromatic ring having alternate structure. Okay, this is the carbon number 1 having 1 hydrogen, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 carbon containing 6 hydrogen. The formula for this is C6H6. Okay, this is the molecular formula for benzene, C6H6. Now this is the single bond and double bond. Okay, double, single, and double. So this is the alternate double single bond called conjugation system. Okay, it is called conjugation system. Now you can see if a single bond is present, the bond length is given 154, okay, picometer, 154 pm. If the double bond is given, the double bond is short bond, the bond length is short and it is given 133 pm. Okay, now the actual observation, it is expected, okay, but the actual observation, the all the bond length in the benzene ring is 138 pm. Okay, it is in between these two numbers. Okay, it is not short and not a single bond, it is a in between these two number. It means that it is showing all the bonds of benzene showing same bond length. Okay, same bond length. Okay, so it means that this bond is rotating. Okay, there are two bonds, one bond is sigma bond, which is single, okay, sigma bond, and another one is pi bond. There are two covalent bonds, one bond is sigma and another one is pi. So sigma bond is formed, it is formed by overlapping of two orbitals. The covalent bond is formed by overlapping of two orbitals, and overlapping, it is, for example, this type of overlapping is there. Okay, it is a head to head overlapping. Okay, so what it is formed, sigma bond. Okay, like this will form sigma bond. Okay, these two p orbital. If there is a lateral overlapping occurs, this is a p orbital, this is also a p orbital. Orbitals, what are orbitals? Okay, nucleus, okay, then shell, and shell में जो s e d होता है, those are called orbitals. Okay, so these are what, come on, these are p orbitals. Okay, so this type of bonding occurs in the orbital like this. Okay, so this is a pi bond, this is lateral overlapping, or this is head to head linear overlapping. Okay, so pi bond is formed by lateral overlapping, sigma bond is formed by linear or head to head overlapping. So there are three pi bond you can see here. If single bond is present, if two bond is present, okay, double bond is present in alkene, the double bond is present, so one is always a sigma bond and another one will be always a pi bond. Okay, if triply bonded substance is there, okay, like alkyne, so two are pi bonds, two sigma bonds and one pi bond is present. Okay, okay, so two pi bond, two pi bond and one sigma bond is present in alkyne. Okay, so this is the structure of benzene, and in benzene you can see double bond is present 3 times. Okay, So in this, one is a pi bond and one is a sigma bond. So this should be a long, it is a single bond, and this should be short. But in observation, in experimental observation, it is shown that it is a 1:38 p.m. The all bond length of this structure is same. Okay, why? So this bond is continuously rotating. Okay, this pi bond is continuously rotating. It is shifting like this. Okay, so another structure is become like this. You can see this bond is rotating in this side. Okay, so we can form a bond here. This is rotating, or this is shifting towards this side. So I'm drawing bond here. This bond is shifting towards this side. Both the structure are of benzene ring. Okay, but the difference, is there any difference? No. In these two structure there is no difference. Okay, only the bond rotation taking place, and this bond or this pi bond is continuously rotating. Okay, so the benzene is sometime also is always or sometimes is also represented like this. Okay, this pi bond is represented by this. This benzene is rotating, this pi bond is rotating continuously. Okay, so this is also showing double bond character. Okay, all single bond also showing double bond character. So that is why the bond length is in between 135, 133 and 138, in between 154 and 133. Yes, that is the number 138 p.m. Okay, yes, so the bond length is 138 p.m. in benzene ring. Yes, so this is the hybrid structure. So these are pi bonds are rotating, and this structure is called resonance structure. This is the resonance of benzene ring. This structure is what come on? Resonance of benzene ring. Okay, and this is the resonance hybrid. Okay, resonance hybrid. Okay, so the pi bond का जो system होता है, that is called conjugated system. So two or more multiple bonds alternating with the single bond, it is called a conjugate system. Yes, this is a double single double single. These bonds are alternating. Okay, double single. So this system is called what? Pi conjugated system. In such system or in species having an atom carrying p orbital attached to a multiple bond, resonance theory is applicable. Now what is resonance theory? We understand the following points from the resonance theory. First, the pi electrons in conjugated system of pi bond are not localized to a particular pi bond. Yes, if you will see, it is not it is rotating, it is delocalized pi electrons or pi bond. Okay, it is delocalized, matlab it is not fixed at one place. Yes, it is delocalized at different places. Okay, different carbon atom. For a compound having conjugated system of pi bond or similar other system, two or more Lewis structure are written. Okay, these are two Lewis structure. Please, this is also a benzene ring. It is resonance structure, or you can say it's Lewis structure. Okay, by showing movement of pi electrons. Here I am showing the movement of pi electrons. Okay, so that is the delocalization of pi electron using what? Come on, curve arrow. The Lewis structure so generated are linked by double-headed arrow and are called resonance structure or contributing structure or conical structures. Okay, canonical structures of this species. Two resonance structure can be drawn by, for benzene by delocalizing or shifting of pi electrons. Yes, this is the shifting of pi electron. So this is one theory. Okay, if pi electrons are present, pi bonds are present, so resonance theory, conjugated system is present, then resonance theory is applicable. Yes, okay. Any resonance structure is hypothetical and does not by itself represent any real molecule and can explain all the properties of the compound. The real molecule has, however, character of all the resonance structure. Those can be written. The real actual molecule is said to be resonance hybrid of all resonance structure. For example, the actual benzene molecule is a resonance hybrid of structure 1 and 2 and exhibit character of both these structure. In approximate representation can be shown as a dotted circle, okay, inscribed uh, in a regular hexagon. Thus, each carbon-carbon bond in benzene has a single as well as double bond character, and ring has a regular hexagon shape. Okay, so this is what come on resonance hybrid, and it is showing double, single, double bond. Okay, so it is a resonance hybrid of structure 1 and 2. Yes, this is the resonance structure. These are resonance structure and these are hypothetical, but actual benzene structure is this. मतलब pi electrons are rotating continuously. They are not fixed like this. Okay, they are rotating continuously. So this circle is drawn in the hexagon structure. Yes, this is showing the electrons or the pi bonds are rotating. They are delocalized. Yes. So hypothetical energy of individual resonance structure can be calculated using bond energy values. The energy of actual molecule is however lower than that of any of the resonance structure. So in other words, what is resonance hybrid is more stable than any of the resonance structure. The difference in the actual energy and the lowest calculated energy of resonance structure is called resonance stabilization energy or just resonance energy. Now, these are the resonance structure and this is the resonance hybrid, and this resonance hybrid has having a low energy, that means it is more stable. Okay, and the energy it's calculated, it is called resonance stabilization energy. Yes. Now identify species that contains a conjugated system of pi bond and explain your answer. So the structure 1CH2 CH2, this is containing, these all are sigma bonds. Okay, these two are sigma bond, and this is 1 sigma and 1 pi. This is also 1 sigma and 1 pi. Yes. So in alkene it is double bond, it is containing double bond. One bond is sigma bond and another one is pi bond. Here you can see what it is. Both the structures are same, yes or no? Yes, both the structures are same, containing 5 bonds, that is diene hai. Yes, the molecule is diene. Okay, having multiple double bond, diene, one से ज़्यादा double bond है. So pentadiene, it is said pentadiene. Yes, one penta 1 4 diene, penta 2 1 3 diene. Yes, 1 3 diene. So 1 does not contain conjugated system of pi bond as the two double bond. Okay, pi bond to hai. First, in first structure pi bond is present but it is not conjugated. See, in the first it is double bond, single and double. It is not alternating double single bond. What is conjugated system? Conjugated system must be having alternating double single bond. It is not showing, it is showing double and single bond. Its structure 2 you can see double single double single. So it is containing conjugated system. Okay. Second contains a conjugated system of pi bonds, as the two double bonds are separated by only one single bond. So the double bond should be separated by one single bond for to identify the conjugated system. Okay, so what are the rules what you have to follow while writing the resonance structure? So the first one, resonance structure can be written when all the atoms involved in the pi conjugated system, okay, lie in the same place. Okay, एक structure में ही आप resonance structure draw कर सकते हैं. दो different structure का एक hybrid नहीं बना सकते. Yes, all the resonance structure must have the same number of unpaired electron. Okay, so the same charge should be there, the same number of unpaired electrons should be there. Yes, resonance structure contribute to the resonance hybrid in accordance to the energy stability. More stable, having low energy resonance structure contribute largely and thus are important. between the compared resonance structure, the resonance structure is more stable and therefore important, which A, more number of covalent bond, more number of atom with the complete octet or duplet, less separation of if any of opposite charge, negative charge if any, or more electronegative atom, positive charge if any, more electropositive atom, more dispersal of charge. Yes, first we will see the how to draw the resonance structure, then we'll apply these rules. Okay, okay, yes. So in structure first, you please solve this example. Okay, I will take this one, 14.9. So write the resonance structure of COOH and comment on their relative stability. Yes. We'll draw here H. The structure is given H C O O minus. Okay. Okay. Now we'll draw the resonance structure for this. This is carboxylic ion. Yes, carboxylic acid का functional group है. So first draw the structure. C double bond O. C double bond O. O minus. Okay. Carrying negative charge. And the hydrogen is there. Okay, sorry. Now, it is having 1 sigma and 1 pi bond, double bond. But you have to identify first, is there any conjugation or any conjugated system? Yes. There is a conjugation between this negative charge, okay, and this double bond, pi bond. This charge can be rotated like this. Okay, this charge shifted to this. Okay, arrow start from where electrons are moving, from where the electrons are moving. Yes, and this like this. Now next I'm drawing here. Okay, this is the structure and I'm drawing next resonating structure. So this in between these two structures, the double-headed arrow is drawn. Okay, you should draw this double-headed arrow. तो C, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Charge to bond conversion is taking place. Okay, charge to bond conversion is taking place. So you will draw C double bond O here. Okay, the charge is forming bond. Now I am drawing this oxygen. See, on the carbon atom, it is already containing 1, 2, 3, 4 bond. Okay, I have drawn a double bond here and the double bond is also present here. So it will contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bond, which is unstable and not a correct structure. So what we can do, we will break this bond and this bond is break into charge. Yes, to get the correct stable structure. So यहाँ पे double bond आएगा क्या? नहीं. So this bond, this charge is converted into a bond and this bond is breaking and converted into a charge. Okay, so it will form negative charge here. First the negative charge is present on this oxygen. Okay, so this is a resonance structure. This is the first structure, actual structure. This is the resonance structure. Okay, so in these two structure, both the structures are same, but we have to decide the stability here. Okay, first the detailed bond structure showing all the valence electron is drawn. Then other resonance structure are generated using curve arrow to show the movement of pi electrons. Two resonance structure are written HOO minus. Okay, this like this. Yes, both the resonance structure 1 and 2 are equivalent to each other and therefore are equally stable. See, both are equally stable. Why? Because the negative charge in both the structure, okay, is appearing on a same atom. Okay, the negative charge is appearing on a same atom in both the structures. So both the structures are equivalent. Okay, स्टेबिलिटी के पॉइंट से देखेंगे तो दोनों स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, इक्विवेलेंट है. अब हम जो है नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल एक चेक करते हैं. ओके, दिस वन. CH3O. In structure, identify the species which has resonance stabilization. Justify your answer. This is having a resonance stabilization or not? CH3OH, methanol. The bond structure shows that there is a no pi bond, therefore no resonance stabilization. Pi bond ही present नहीं है, resonance stabilization नहीं होगा. In structure 2, CH3NO2, nitro group is draw like this, NO2 NO minus. नाइट्रो ग्रुप का स्ट्रक्चर ये, और ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, ये नेगेटिव चार्ज है. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इट. सो नेगेटिव चार्ज इज चार्ज, पॉजिटिव चार्ज कभी भी पॉजिटिव चार्ज शोइंग इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी, एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज इज इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच. नेगेटिव चार्ज इज इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, सो इलेक्ट्रॉन इज फॉर्मिंग बॉन्ड. पॉजिटिव चार्ज नहीं करेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन, नेगेटिव चार्ज करेगा, बॉन्ड फॉर्म करेगा. ओके, and NO डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ पे क्रिएट हो रहा है. दिस डबल बॉन्ड इज ब्रेकिंग इनटू अ चार्ज and forming this resonance structure. Okay, so the pi in the structure, NO double bond is attached to oxygen, which carries lone pair of electron in p orbital. Therefore resonance structure can be written and species in resonance stabilized. Yes, now next is buta 1,3-diene. So buta means 4, 1 2 3 4, and on position 1 there is a double bond, and position 3 there is a double bond present. Okay, so if you will see, it is containing alternate double single bond, double single double. Okay, so it is showing it is having pi bond, it is also a conjugated system, so it will show a resonance stabilization. Yes, so what will happen, this double bond is converting, or it is giving out it is giving out electron to this bond. Okay, so the double bond is forming here, the next bond will break and convert it into a charge. Now what will happen, on the first carbon you can see the electrons are going from here, so it will carry positive charge, and electrons and extra electrons are this. See, this bond is breaking, means electrons are moving on this carbon. Yes, so electrons are moving and electrons are coming, so negative charge will appear on this carbon, but electrons are moving from this to this, there is electron deficiency. Yes, so positive charge will appear here on this carbon. So there is 1 2 3 bond is present. Yes, so the Lewis structure shows 2 double bond alternating with CC single bond. Therefore resonance structure can be written as shown, and species is resonance stabilized. If you will see here, okay, 14.11, this is the resonance structure. Now we have to decide what the stability. Write 3 resonance structure for CH3 C double bond OCH. This is what aldehyde CHO, and indicate their relative stability. हमने स्ट्रक्चर 1 ड्रॉ किया, CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड, इधर भी डबल सिंगल डबल बॉन्ड है, कॉन्जुगेटेड सिस्टम है, पाई बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट है, रेजोनेंस स्टेबलाइजेशन शो करेगा. ओके, if you will see, I am breaking bond. Okay, I am breaking bond in like this manner. So structure 2 is forming, which carries positive charge on the carbon atom, and in structure 3 positive charge will appear on oxygen atom. Okay, so the structure 1 2 and 3, which is more stable, stability order, structure 1 is more stable. Okay, this is actual structure or resonance hybrid you can say. Okay, structure 2 is more stable than structure 3. See, ऑक्सीजन और कार्बन में आप चेक करेंगे which one is more electronegative. The more electronegative atom is oxygen, so it should carry a negative charge. Okay, and electropositive इसके कंपैरिजन में, ऑक्सीजन के कंपैरिजन में कार्बन का इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी कम है, so कार्बन के ऊपर क्या आना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सी अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रूल, yes, separation of any opposite charges, negative charge if any, more electronegative atom, positive charge if any, more electropositive atom. Yes, so दोनों भी स्ट्रक्चर पॉसिबल है, बट द मोस्ट स्टेबल वन इज सेकेंड if you will compare. Okay, so why it is carrying, oxygen is carrying a negative charge because it is more electronegative. Okay, so it is more stable. Yes, so the reason is given here. There are various factors which is given in the rule affect the stability of resonance structures. Okay, so the next is the resonance effect only, but the resonance effect is divided into two categories. First one is resonance a withdrawing effect and resonance plus R effect and minus R effect, withdrawing effect and donating effect, like inductive effect only. Okay, so this is also divided into two effect. Next topic is hyperconjugation, and one more topic is remaining, that is isomerism. Yes, so in our next session we'll complete this two topic. Okay, and chapter will end here. So please practice these back exercise question and solve it. Okay, so for today we'll stop here, and in next session we'll start resonance effect and hyperconjugation. Okay, thank you.